Why does your scanner show the P14A2 engine code? What does it mean? P14A2 is a diagnostic trouble code for signal of exhaust gas back pressure sensor dynamically implausible. This engine code indicates that this code is often associated with diesel particulate filter DPF systems, resulting from faulty DPF sensors, incomplete regeneration, or problems with the wiring or hoses connected to these sensors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Exhaust system issues, DPF malfunction, DPF differential pressure sensor faults, wiring and connection problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW diesel vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.